Today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a cool RGB or red, green, blue effect in Pixlr Online Desktop completely for free. Step number 1 is to drag your image onto Pixlr. Add current. Step number 2 is to uncheck or to unlock your layer or your image under the layers panel. Click this, move your image, and adjust your image accordingly. The next step is to click filter and go under to the second option, glitches, and then RGB split. And this is the default settings. 21, 80, and 100. The second option, the third option, and the fourth, fifth, and sixth. In this case, choose your preferences accordingly. And this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found value, drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and follow for more.
If you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.